So when using APA style, you will use an in-text citation in the body of your paper anytime you use words or ideas or phrases that are not your own. So anytime you are summarizing, paraphrasing, or directly quoting another source, you'll use an in-text citation. So if you are summarizing or paraphrasing, you will use the author's last name and the year of publication in your in-text citation with a comma in between. And I have an example there. So it'd be Smith, comma, space 2015. If you are directly quoting another work, you'll include the author's last name, the year of publication, as well as the page number or numbers you are quoting from. And you'll use P period for a single page or PP period for multiple pages. So in this example, I'm using the same work. So from Smith, comma, 2016, comma, page 290. If you have a source without an author, you'll use the article title in place of the author's last name, and you'll do it the same way if you're summarizing or paraphrasing, using the year of publication, if you're directly quoting, using the year of publication and the page number or numbers. One of the main mistakes people make with APA, especially when they're new to APA, is the capitalization of the article titles because it's different from MLA style. So APA style uses the sentence case for the capitalization of an article title. And what that means is that it's capitalized just like a sentence. So only the first word of the article title and the article subtitle is capitalized. And I have an example here for you. Now, MLA uses title case. So they capitalize every main word in a title. So I've added this example just to show the differences between sentence case and title case. If you're using a citation generator, whether you're using a free one on the web or you're using one from a library database, many times this is the main mistakes that they make because many of the databases write titles in title case, even though that's not APA style. So even if you change your citation generator to APA style, they will still not change the capitalization of the title because it just can't do that. So that's one of the main mistakes you'll come across with those automatic citation generators. So keep that in mind. Now, we have lots of different resources for APA style. I always tell my students to not worry so much about memorizing APA style, as long as you know what resources to go to when you have questions. So the library has an APA style guide that has lots of great examples about how to cite different types of publications. The Purdue OWL is probably the most recognized and reliable source for all different citation styles on the web. It's published by Purdue University. And then the library also has a subscription to RefWorks, which is a citation management system. So essentially you can create project folders for different classes or papers that you have to do. You can add your citations into RefWorks, and then it will automatically generate your references list for you. You still, of course, have to add all the information in correctly. You have to do all the capitalization and the author's names correctly. So it doesn't do everything automatically for you, but it can help you with some of that formatting. And you have access to that through the library. And then, of course, if you want some one-on-one help with your citation styles, the Writing Center can help you actually look over your paper and your citations. And they can do a virtual appointment with you, or you can actually just send your paper into a tutor, and they will look at it and get back to you. So all the links that I have here, I've also included in this module under additional resources. So links to the library's APA style guide, Purdue OWL, RefWorks, and the Writing Center. So I hope that this has helped give you the basics of APA style and get you started.